Want to show you guys a couple quick tips and tricks to help students increase their productivity on the iPads, particularly around curating information for research, as well as utilizing sort of the handwriting to take notes across the board. So what I've done is done a quick Google search for antibiotic effectiveness, looking at a research project perhaps around the use of antibiotics and their effectiveness today. And so as we look at this article, there are latest news on the right-hand side and advertisements and a variety of other things over here that might distract me from my ability to read, as well as I cannot, in this case, take notes on this. But up here in the top corner here, I have something called the Safari Reader, these 3.5 lines. If I tap on those, it pulls the text of the article out from the background information. It puts all of the images in line with the text, so if they are related to the actual article, they are available to see and view. So here in this space, I have the ability to sort of do that. Now, one thing that I can do with this is if I hit the share button in the top right, I can copy to Books. Now, Books is an app available on all the iPads, and it should come pre-installed. If I click it, it takes this, turns it into a PDF, and brings it into the Books app. And it makes a page by page PDF for the students to read. If I want to take some notes or underline, I can tap the pen in the top right corner up here, and it brings up my menu down at the bottom. And I have a pen, so if there were some notes I wanted to take here, I can zoom in, I can underline, I can add a note here as well. A couple other things, I can use the highlighter or the colors to sort of type it in as well. Okay, and if I get out of here and go back, all of those are saved, and the students do have access to iCloud, so all of this information would be saved in iCloud. I go back in, you can see my notes are there across devices, so if they had to get a new device for some reason, it would be saved. I also have the ability to create collections. So up here I have a variety of collections, so I can go ahead and grab collections. I could do a new collection. I could call this my research project, or whatever it was, and then once I've done that, I can just go ahead and add this to that collection. There's my notes. So I can go ahead and add this to collection. I click edit in the top right corner, and I can at the bottom click add to and pick research project. And now I've gone ahead and added that research project in. And so I could curate a bunch of resources there.